On Windows 11, there is a new version of the Media Player app that replaced the Group Music app. The newly redesigned app features a branded new interface that follows the Windows 11 design language. The app supports both audio and video playback. As part of the feature set, it's pretty basic. You can create your playlist. And there's support for album, art for artist information. Also, the app will automatically scan and add all your folder containing music and videos to locally from your computer. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install new media player on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open the Microsoft Store app. Click on the library on the bottom left corner. Click the Get Updates button. Once you complete the step, the redesigned app should download and install automatically. Alternatively, you can install app directly from the Microsoft Store app. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.